मैं सोच रही थी कि आज मूवी देखने चले।
लेट हो जाएगा यार। आई थिंक ग्रोसरी इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट।
ग्रोसरी, डोंट वरी।
This breakfast cereal was one of the many choices you had while shopping for your daily needs. And it took several hours of thoughts and analysis before you made the final decision of buying. We know you put a lot of time and effort into buying your groceries. But do you know how it reaches your home safely on time? So that you can relish on every scoop, if you're wondering how. The answer has two words: Flipkart Supermart, where your grocery essentials are gently caressed throughout the shipment process, so that you can enjoy fresh products with a seamless delivery experience. A relevant catalog is displayed to you based on the PIN code serviceability. Every item is packed and placed properly to maintain their efficacy. But how do we make sure that the egg cart is not placed at the bottom? Algorithms. On placing an order, our algorithms decide how items are picked and packed so that you don't get heavy items placed on softer ones, or food or non-food item do not get packed together. So no broken eggs or squishy milk packs. These innovations help us in maintaining a linear movement of the product. Every item is categorized and color-coded for segregation. Fruits and vegetables are coded with yellow color. Oil, atta and other big packet items are coded with orange. Dry groceries are coded with green color, while dairy products with blue color.
We have always focused on ensuring exceptional quality of your grocery. So we developed a process where every product goes through a rigorous quality check procedure to ensure product efficacy, hygiene and proper packaging. These quality procedures are based on an exhaustive checklist of FFSI guidelines. It is a comprehensive checklist that covers the entire process right from storage, transportation and handling to hygiene, waste disposal and even pest control. Through our modern facility, skilled people and impeccable processes, we maintain the highest food safety standard for our customer safety.
Hi, I'm Kirti from the quality team. Every food item is thoroughly checked because every customer order placed is not just an order but a lot of trust.
This stage is called palletization. Here, your orders are smoothly transferred to and from their specific location at the fulfillment center. The dispatch sequence of your order are based on the route and slots chosen. Even after all this effort, we thought we could do more.
At our Bangalore Fulfillment Center, we have deployed an automated storage retrieval system, which is also called an ASRS, which consists of computer-controlled systems that automatically place and retrieve the product loads from their defined storage locations. All of these small orchestrated efforts save time, and we know that a second save is nutrition save, freshness save and taste save.
Our people are our biggest strength. To manage all these operations with meticulous precision, other than technology, a dexterous workforce is also required. And at Flipkart, we make sure that the workforce is highly skilled, diverse and inclusive. We provide equal opportunities to women across every level. We have over 1,200 women employees pan-India in the grocery supply chain alone, who are working in various domains across levels at supervisory grade to facility head. We also have employees who are mostly hearing and speech impaired. They are specially trained for working in specific domains like quality check, inbound, outbound and many more. Our endeavor to make our workplace a highly people-centric organization will continue with focus on garnering millions of customer smiles.
With COVID pandemic, we have more and more online shoppers for groceries. Our customers and employees' safety is paramount. Hence, we have all safety precautionary measures that are immaculately carried out at all our facilities.
Orders are now dispatched from the fulfillment center to the cross docks. They are our smaller facilities near your home. It is just like your friendly neighborhood facility and is the size of 2 basketball courts.
At the cross docks, orders are transferred from big canters to small vans based on route optimization as per the PIN code.
ಕೋವಿಡ್-19 ಎಂಬ ಕಠಿಣ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮತ್ತು ಗ್ರಾಹಕರ ಸುರಕ್ಷತೆಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಸುರಕ್ಷತಾ ಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಕೈಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಾವು ಗ್ರಾಹಕರಿಗೆ ದಿನಸಿ ಧಾನ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಸುರಕ್ಷಿತವಾಗಿ ತಲುಪಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಗ್ರಾಹಕರ ಸಂತೋಷವೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ.
The vehicles travel 150 to 200 kilometers around the fulfillment center, fulfilling our promise of convenience at your doorstep. Your grocery pack is now a step closer to reach your doorstep. The run sheets are being assigned for the last mile delivery.
A last mile delivery is the last leg of our supply chain process. Here, our Wishmasters pick and delivers your order with utmost care, following all safety protocols. They maintain high grooming standards to ensure hygiene all the time. They sanitize before and after delivery to ensure customer safety.
Our grocery journey began 3 years back, and that time our model was revolutionary. Each passing year, it is only getting bigger and better in terms of growth with diverse talent, automation, improvised processes and greater reach. Today, we sell everything from staples to dairy products. Our grocery supply chain processes are specially designed to ensure highest standard of hygiene, accurate delivery for our customers.
So, how do we define convenience? We define convenience with a simple tap. That's all you need to do to get your groceries delivered. We define convenience with our innovative processes and creative people that help us to garner your smile. That's what makes this entire effort worth it.